In this video, we listed the 5 best under-desk treadmills on Aliexpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Cursor Fitness Home Folding Treadmill. The Cursor Fitness Treadmill, designed for adult users, offers a premium workout experience with its efficient and quiet motor, providing a maximum of 2.5 GP and speeds up to 7.5 miles per hour, while emitting minimal noise levels of 40-65 dB. This sleek black treadmill, weighing 57 pounds and made of alloy steel, features a spacious 15.4 x 40.2 running belt for comfortable workouts. The LED display console allows real-time tracking of time, speed, distance, calories burned, and heart rate, with 12 preset programs for varied exercise intensities or customizable routines. The treadmill includes handrail heart sensors for monitoring target heart rate during workouts. With Cursor Care service based in Los Angeles offering 24/7 support and 100% satisfaction guarantee, users can enjoy peace of mind during shopping and usage. The treadmill by Cursor Fitness is an ideal choice for strength training, originating from the US and sold under the brand name SMVP. Assembly is not required for this treadmill, making it a convenient fitness equipment option. Number 2. Walking Pad 2-in-1 Under-Desk Treadmill. The Deer Run Mini Under-Desk Treadmill by DUTRIEUX is a versatile fitness equipment designed for walking, jogging, and running, catering to adult users seeking a convenient workout solution. This portable and compact treadmill features a black alloy steel construction, weighing 41.8 pounds with dimensions of 45, DX 20.3, WX 4.3, H. The treadmill boasts a maximum speed of 3.8 miles per hour, powered by a 2.5 GP motor that ensures smooth and quiet operation, with noise levels below 50 decibels. The 2023 upgraded walking pad includes a stronger steel frame structure for safety, a 5-layer 16 anti-slip running belt for impact absorption, and a user-friendly oil drip hole for motor maintenance. With a maximum weight capacity of 265 pounds, this treadmill provides a comfortable and efficient workout experience while protecting joints and muscles. The Deer Run treadmill is designed for space-saving home office workouts, with built-in wheels for easy storage under desks, beds, or sofas. Backed by a 12-month warranty and professional customer service, users can rely on support for any pre- or post-sales inquiries, ensuring a seamless experience with this cardio training equipment originating from the US. Number 3. Elseluck Walking Pad Under-Desk Treadmill. The Elseluck 2-in-1 portable treadmill by DUTRIEUX offers a versatile fitness solution for adults, featuring a compact design in black alloy steel construction. With product dimensions of 52.01, DX 23.82, WX 5.96, H, and an item weight of 24.49 kilograms, this treadmill provides a maximum speed of 3.8 miles per hour, powered by a 2-horsepower motor. The treadmill's special features include an LED display for tracking speed, distance, time, and calories, along with a remote control for convenient speed adjustments and operation. Designed for quiet and anti-slip performance, the walking pad supports up to 220 pounds, with a 5-layer non-slip belt and shock absorption to minimize noise and impact on joints. The compact design allows for easy storage under furniture, while built-in wheels facilitate effortless movement. Backed by a customer-first warranty and 24-hour customer service, Elseluck's Under-Desk Treadmill ensures a seamless workout experience at home or in the office, making it an ideal choice for cardio training enthusiasts. Number 4. UREVO Folding Treadmill. The UREVO Folding Treadmill is a versatile fitness equipment designed for adults and dogs, featuring a silver alloy steel construction with a maximum speed of 6.2 miles per hour and a maximum horsepower of 2.25. This treadmill offers 12 Hyatt running settings for effective fat reduction, along with an adjustable LCD platform to track exercise data. With a compact and easy-to-fold design, the treadmill can be conveniently stored under furniture, weighing only 22.5 kilograms. The 2.25 GP motor ensures stable operation with a weight capacity of 220 pounds, providing a quiet and durable running experience with a 5-layer non-slip belt. The Treadmill's 16-inch wider anti-slip belt caters to the whole family and pets, offering a safe and comfortable workout space. UREVO prioritizes customer satisfaction with features like a rotatable LCD screen, phone holder, and responsive 24-hour customer service, making it an ideal choice for cardio training enthusiasts seeking a user-friendly and family-oriented treadmill experience. Number 5. DUTRIEUX Folding Treadmill. The GoPlus 2-in-1 Superfit Folding Treadmill offers a versatile fitness solution with 2 modes to cater to different sports needs. With a powerful 2.25 GP motor, this treadmill provides speeds ranging from 0.6 miles per hour to 7.5 miles per hour, ensuring quiet operation suitable for home and office use. The treadmill features a sturdy steel frame, a shock-absorbing design, and a non-slip running belt for a comfortable and safe running experience. The multifunctional LED display tracks time, speed, distance, and calories, while additional features like a Bluetooth speaker, phone holder, and remote control enhance the user experience. The compact and foldable design, along with built-in transport wheels, make it easy to move and store the treadmill conveniently. Overall, the GoPlus Superfit Treadmill is a user-friendly and space-saving option for adults looking to incorporate cardio training into their routine.